Hello, it's Jesse here, and welcome back to Jesse's Vintage Garage. And we're going to be working on, actually, we might not be working on anything in this video. We're going to be taking this 74 Triumph Trident out for a test drive. This is it's a nice day out. We finally got some time to be able to do this. And first of all, we're going to start it up. Get it in. He's going to take it for a ride. We'll see how it runs, see how it performs. So we're going to be checking for oil pressure and stuff again, in that we installed that pressure gauge.
After it warms up good.
Yep. Here he comes. It took off, but it sounded pretty nice. Let's see what we got so far. He went around a couple mile section, so. He should be coming back here any minute now. There he is. Got good oil pressure and everything still?
40 pounds.
Alright. Well.
You want to ride it?
I mean, I can. What'd you think of it?
Right, yeah. You got to watch it. That throttle likes the carburetors or the ignition or something doesn't like to idle real well. It likes to die on you.
Ah.
I had to start it once at a stop sign. So.
Oh.
Okay, so keep it at 1,000. It should be fine.
Otherwise,
Yeah, it runs real good.
I know that I guess what's in store for this coming up. We're gonna do replace gaskets in here for sure. We get that idle figured out when it's running. I guess.
Well, it actually idles real well. It just was, maybe it was just set a little too low, and so.
It sounded good.
Oh yeah, runs real good.
Anyway, oh, and the other thing we got going on, we got the Tiger sitting out here. Got it over and we had it running and stuff. Runs really good. We had since our rebuild, and I got a few hundred miles on it. And then over here is the 71 Bonneville. Something's not right about this bike. It just doesn't have the power like the Tiger does. And for being a Bonneville, it's supposed to have more power, you would think. So it's just, it feels sluggish when I go to take off compared to the Tiger.
Doggy. Yeah.
So we're gonna probably end up working on this a little bit. Maybe go into the timing cover and just see if all the gears are sitting right or something.
Make sure they're right. We never had this apart. Somebody else did.
Yep. So, yeah, there's something else we're gonna be working on too coming up. Let's go talk about that. Well, here we are. I just got done taking this Trident for a ride. It's like totally different than anything I've ever rode before because Well, I guess I'm just used to twins. So, you know, twin Harleys or twin Triumphs. It's just triple, and it's different. It kind of wants to just go because it's just that power from that triple. I don't know. It just continuously goes. I didn't find anything wrong with it. I do notice the clutch works really great in this thing. That's the whole main purpose of driving that, and then finding out how the motor actually was for being sound and in condition. So we got good oil pressure constantly. We did have like an idling problem, but we can easily fix that. And yeah, I mean, it's actually turned out pretty good so far. We are going to work on doing some head gaskets up here and the rocker box gasket stuff. Maybe not head gasket, I'm sorry, probably shouldn't have said that.
Just
but
rocker boxes.
just rocker boxes.
And push off.
We don't have any, after riding it, we don't have any leaks. It's been sitting for a little bit here. Nothing that's like profusely leaking or anything that we've noticed. It's been sitting here for a while and it hasn't dripped on the cardboard here. It's really good, really nice. Seems
it's actually leak free. We could probably leave it, but it's got silicone sticking out.
Yeah. If it's sticking out on the outside, we have a feeling
it's loose.
Yeah, it's loose. So if it's on the outside, we have a feeling it's the same way on the inside. And that stuff falls off and gets all gummed up in there.
And we don't want it to go.
So now so that'll be coming up. I'm not sure when. We're trying to finish up that Norton Mark III. We'll probably squeeze this in. We really want to get the 40 Harley on the road. And but anyway, we got another project too. Probably don't need to talk about it yet, but we can, just so you guys know there's a future here. So anyways, the next project probably coming up down the road is going to be this 68 Triumph Bonneville sitting here. It's probably going to get a full restoration too. Definitely going to go back to the original style paint, red and silver. But I've had this for a little while now, and we haven't got it running yet. We're probably going to try to get it running, see how it runs. This bike does not have a wiring harness on it, so there has been some stuff going on to it. I'm not sure yet, so we haven't really assessed it much. It's just been sitting around for a little while. So anyway, that'll be coming up, so we can look out for that too. I think that's all we're going to really cover in this video right now. We just wanted to really talk about that, you know, that Trident over there. It looks pretty good at the distance and looked really nice outside, and it sounds pretty good when it runs. So I didn't know what to expect, I guess. Last time I heard one of them run, I think I was a little kid. So anyway, then we're going to work on this Bonneville here, because it does not perform like that Tiger does. I talked about that a little bit ago. So anyway, so that'll be coming up. So hope you enjoyed everything in this video. I think we're going to come to an end on this one. And we'll go work on some more stuff around here.